Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the YouTube channel Blended Learning with Success. Today we are going to learn unit system. There are two major units are there in the world. One is metric system, another is US system. This metric system, there is another video on metric system. Link is available in the below description. In this video, I will explain about US unit system. Today I will explain about this one. Let me start. US system. First we go with this is a translation for your reference. For everywhere I have given the translation in Arabic. Wherever you want, you can stop the video and you can read the translation. Length. 1 foot equal to 12 inches. 1 yard equal to 3 feet. 1 mile equal to 5,280 feet. Arabic translations are here. And one more thing, the foot is singular and feet is plural. And one more thing over here, that this one, the common abbreviations for each unit are given in bracket. This is the abbreviation. For the foot, this is the abbreviation FT. For inches, IN. Yard, YT. And for the mile, MI. The common abbreviations I have given in the bracket. And one more thing you can observe here, all the bigger units are in the left side and the smaller units are in the right side. Foot is bigger than inches. Yard is bigger unit than feet. Mile is bigger unit than feet. Now C for the volume. 1 tablespoon, this is a capital T, which is equal to 3 teaspoons. 1 cup is equal to 16 tablespoons. 1 pint equal to 2 cups. And 1 gallon equal to 8 pints, which is also equal to 16 cups. Translations you can see Arabic. And here also the bigger units are in the left side and the smaller units are in the right side. Tablespoon is bigger than teaspoon. Cup is bigger than tablespoon. Similarly, gallon is bigger than pint and cups. Next for the weight. 1 pound equal to 16 ounces. 1 ton is equal to 2000 pounds. The common abbreviations for each unit are given in bracket. This is the one. For pound, LB. For ounces, OZ. So here also the bigger unit are in the left side and the smaller units are in the right side. 1 pound is bigger than this ounces. So 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. These numbers you have to remember, 16, 2000. These numbers are important. Now you can see an easy way to convert the units. For this you have to remember these numbers. Easy procedure to convert from one unit to another unit. See here now. If bigger unit is given in the question and required to find smaller unit, you have to multiply. The number which is given in the right side, that number you have to multiply. If the bigger unit is given and required to find smaller unit, multiply. Now, if smaller unit is given and required to find bigger unit, divide. This is only two things you have to remember. You have to see which is given and which is required to find. Bigger given, multiply. Smaller given, divide. Now see examples. Question number 1. Salim bought a fire hose that is 36 yards long. Convert the length to feet. So what is given here? Yard. Bigger unit is given. Yard is bigger than feet. So see the solution. We know 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. Given is yard. Required to find feet. So what is given here? Here bigger unit is given and required to find smaller unit. So multiply. This number you have to multiply 3. See now 36 yards. Thus 36 yards equal to 36 into 3. This 3 you have to multiply. So it becomes feet now. 36 yards becomes 36 into 3 feet. 36 yard is equal to 36 into 3 is 108 feet. So thus 36 yard equal to 108 feet. So just you have to see what is given. Bigger given, multiply. Now see another example. Abdullah will distribute 64 cups of lemon among poor people in this summer. Convert volume to gallon. What is given here? Cups are given. Required to find gallon. Solution for this one, we know. What we know? The unit conversion. 1 gallon equal to 16 cups. Given is cups. Smaller unit is given. Required to find gallon, the bigger unit. So here smaller unit is given and required to find bigger unit. Divide now. So thus 64 cups equal to 64 by 16. Now it becomes gallon. Unit will change. Cups will become gallon. 64 by 16 gallon. So now which you have to check 16 into 64. 16 into 4 is equal to 64. So 16 ones and 16 fours are 64. So 64 cups equal to 4 gallon. So hope you are understanding. You are following here. Let me see one more example. Azhar is 6 feet 4 inches tall. Convert his height to inches. Here mixed units are given, feet and inches. So mixed units are there. So asking in the inches. So feet we have to convert into inches. Solution. We know again feet inches relation. 1 foot equal to 12 inches. 1 foot equal to 12 inches. So convert this feet into inches. Here bigger unit is given and required to find smaller unit. So you have to multiply. Given is feet and required to find inches. So you have to multiply. This 6 feet you have to change to inches. So we can write 6 feet 4 inches. 6 feet 4 inches can be written as 6 feet plus 4 inches. Convert this feet to inches. 6 into 12. This 12 you have to multiply. Multiply. 6 into 12 inches plus 4 inch. 6 into 12, 72. 6 feet 4 inch is equal to 72 inch plus 4 inch. 72 inch 4 inch both are in same unit. So 72 inches plus 4 inches is equal to 76 inches. So thus 6 feet 4 inches is equal to 76 inches. Hope you are understanding. So last question, concentrate. Salman bought 2 pounds 4 ounces of apple, 3 pounds 6 ounces of banana and 9 ounces of cherry. What was the total weight of the fruits? So here mix units are given, pounds and ounces. So now you have to add all these weight of the 3 fruits. So let me start solution for this one. Adding weights for each unit, each fruit. Adding weights of each fruit. Let me start with apple. What is the apple? 2 pounds 5 ounces. 2 pound 5 ounces. LB is for the pound, OZ for the ounces. 2 pounds 5 ounces. Next, banana. 3 pounds 6 ounces. 3 pounds 6 ounces. Next, cherry. 9 ounces. 9 ounces. Now add all these 3. We have to add all these 3. 9 plus 6 plus 5 is equal to 20 pounds. 3 pounds plus 2 pounds is equal to 5 pounds. So we have added all these 3. Now check here, 20 ounces. You have to convert this 20 ounces. How to convert? Just recall this one. 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. So 20 ounces can be written as 16 ounce plus 4 ounce. So this 16 ounce is what? 1 pound. 16 ounce is 1 pound. Therefore 20 ounce is equal to 1 pound plus 4 ounce. 20 pound is equal to 1 pound plus 4 ounce. So this convert this one. 5 we can write as 6 pounds. So 5 pounds plus 20 ounce is equal to 6 pounds 4 ounces. Hope you are understanding. This 1 pound we are adding to this 5 pounds, it becoming 6 pounds. The remaining 4 ounces are same. So 5 pounds 20 ounces is equal to 6 pounds 4 ounces. Thus the total weight of the fruits was 6 pounds 4 ounces. So this is the way we can convert the units into another unit and we can add the units. This is all about the US system. Also watch other 3 videos to understand the complete concept of unit conversion. There is another system is there, metric system and temperature conversion and conversion between US and metric system. These 3 videos are there. So links are provided in the below description for these 3 videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon. Ma salam.